How to add or remove VoiceOver to the accessibility shortcuts menu on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Accessibility Shortcuts. In here, we then scroll down and then tap on VoiceOver. Now tap on VoiceOver item to select it or deselect the item. Once VoiceOver is selected, it will be added to the shortcuts menu. In here, you can triple click on the side button to bring up the accessibility shortcuts menu. In here, you can quickly access VoiceOver or switch it off. And here, if I deselect the item, it will be removed from the accessibility shortcuts menu. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.